Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Wild Game Cooking with Second Habit Outdoors. On this week's episode, we're going to show you how to make one of our personal favorites, Venison Florentine. To make this recipe, you'll need venison, some sage, basil, sliced prosciutto, shallots, and some parsley. To start things off, place your meat on a hard surface or cutting board, then cover with plastic cling wrap. Using a meat tenderizer, pound the venison to help flatten it out. With the meat prepped, now you can start mincing your shallots. Next, finely chop your sage. Continue by finely chopping your parsley. In a bowl, combine your sage, parsley, and shallots. Then add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and stir together well. Next, lay out your flattened venison and spread the mixture over it thoroughly. Then add in a few slices of prosciutto. Finally, top with your provolone cheese. Next, carefully roll everything together tightly. Once rolled, add a few toothpicks to hold everything in place. In a preferably cast iron pan, melt some butter at a medium to medium-high heat. Place the meat rolls in the heated butter and continue cooking to your preferred doneness. Make sure to rotate the meat while cooking to ensure that it cooks thoroughly. Finally, remove the toothpicks so you don't poke yourself and serve. Thanks for checking out the episode. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe up in the top left, or check out more wild game videos on the right.